Sabine, let's go. I got you something. I got you a present. Let's go.
What did you get me?
No. It's a surprise. Come on. We have to go. Let's go.
Oh my god, I hate you.
So, let's go. It's gonna be great. It's right over there.
I don't see anything.
It's right over there.
You get me a car?
No. It's right over there.
What is it? Trash?
Yeah. It's that box right there, next to the trash.
Why did you give me trash?
Just get it.
It's trash from Phoenix.
Yeah. That's the point. Hey y'all, it's Toby, and today we're going to be doing a fursuit unboxing. I've been really talking about my personal, endeavors with trying to get a fursuit, but...
You're getting a fursuit?
Huh?
You're getting a fursuit?
Yeah.
Holy shit, I would have never guessed.
Anyway, so this fursuit isn't, it's not mine, it's actually Sabine's. So, yeah, do you want to talk about how you got that and everything else?
Yeah, basically I saw it on Facebook, and I saw it and I was just like, that's fucking me. I could have gotten a suit, new custom made for about the same price, but this one is just, I was instantly just taken. And it's Scaff 29 is the maker, a Russian maker, and it is a little bit of an older suit. However, I really connect to the character and the design.
Okay, so basically we're going to jump right in. We already unboxed everything because the box that it came in, everything was really condensed. So for everything being all fluffed out, and there was also a lot of art in there too, we moved it to a bin. But other than that, it's still in packaging and all that stuff, so we're going to get right into it. Okay. You behave, Fully.
She was,
You were
whenever
great.
you said we'll get right into it, she was rolling her head around.
Good
She was excited.
Good girl. So first of all, we're going to start with the hand paws first, and then we're going to do feet paws, tail, and then last time, the last part we're going to do is the head. So, you always save head for last. So here are the hand paws.
I'm getting new ones.
She's getting new ones. So they it's like a flailing dead body. So basically, there's two, and they're really cute. I like them. They have 5 fingers, which me personally, I like 4.
Yeah.
And you do too. Yeah.
Yeah, and they're a little small for my monster hands.
Yeah, she has man hands, so probably bigger than mine. And
This is my long fingers. The ladies love it.
okay, that's for you.
Alright. So I got my hand paws. They do have a hole in it, but it's perfect because I can use my phone.
Exactly.
I can take selfies.
You just gotta shove it in there. That really works.
Please don't get hard.
Too late.
Okay, so next are the feet paws. Peats.
Feet. Okay. Everything's wrapped in bubble wrap. Okay, there's 1. And there's 2. Is there like a left and a right?
Not really. Not really. They have outdoor soles, and they're nice and foamy. I really like the shape of them.
So
And they're comfy.
So they don't have a right and a left. It's just.
No, not that I know of. I don't think so.
So she's gonna put them on.
That's hard to do with hand paws.
You just gotta shove it in. Come on.
I'm trying.
I know you're used to that. You just gotta shove it in.
No, I usually use lube.
So next we're gonna get out the tail. So, okay. Steep in there. Okay. So there's the tail. It's beautiful.
It's a big Cheeto puff.
It's like a mixture of like original Cheeto and hot Cheeto, and it has a little white at the tip. So yeah.
I have a little white at the tip.
Oh no. So since she's wearing a Kigu, she will not be putting on the tail, as we know, because Kigu. So yeah. So the last part is the head. So big reveal. So, and here she is. What's her name again?
Emilia.
Emilia. So
She can be called Emmy. Hold on. Take my glasses out. Oh. Okay.
are you gonna put her on?
Yes. Let's see. My glasses don't fit in it.
Yeah.
But that's why I have Jordan to lead me around and make sure I don't fall on the small children.
That would be bad, like your first memorable, con and everything, and your little kid, and you just get smushed by a big furry animal. So that would be great. I mean, that's my dream, but like in a bedroom at like 1 a.m, but that's for later. I guess now we'll get into the art.
Yes.
Okay, so we will. Okay, you hold that. And then there's the glasses, but you probably aren't going to use the glasses, are you?
I can put them on.
Okay.
The character has glasses.
Okay, so we're going to slowly go through everything. And those are the badges, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. She has a plush. It's a little fox. And it's cute. It's got her little stripes and her little tail. And I love it.
And she also came with a lot of badges and art, so we're going to slowly try to show those, but if you've seen any other YouTube videos where you try to show art or literally anything else, it doesn't show well up on camera, so we'll try. So there is this one.
She also came with a shirt, which I'm not sure I can wear to cons or anything.
Why?
Just wait. It's a nice design and all, but I'm probably not holding it.
Okay, it's a tank top. It's nice.
Yeah.
It's nice.
No, that's the wrong side.
What does it say on it?
It says, be polite, be efficient, have a plan to kill everyone you meet.
Perfect! We're wearing it to MFF.
You can wear it to MFF.
That'd be great. Okay, so there's that. And then that was it, right?
And then a bandana, which is just a bandana.
Got it. Does it have the name on it?
No, it's weird.
Ah, it says Rose on it. And it has a cute little bunny on it.
It's got a bunny.
It's perfect. It's beautiful. Bap.
Hey! Beep.
So the final step of this unboxing is basically I'm gonna have Emilia now talk about her Sona and her suit and how the whole entire process is going, changing from Sabine to you know, her new Sona. So, boom, take it away.
All right, so, you know, I still love Sabine and all, but also this is me, so it's gonna be hard for me to make that switch. But you know, Sabine's not made for a fursuit. But yeah,
She's really complicated.
Yeah, Emilia is like me, so she's super fucking gay. She is kind of a little rough around the edges, but also obviously extroverted. You can't have an introverted fursuit, really.
I mean, you can, you know.
But it's not.
No, the ones that wear the badges that say no hugs and the
Yeah.
t-shirts that say no hugs, please, and they just kind of like lurk.
Yeah. But you know, if you want to be social, like I do, like particularly social and everything, and you're in this fandom to be around people and to do the things you love, you know, she's an extrovert. That's all I'm saying. But and she's got stripes. She is part fox, part raccoon. She's got the ear stripes. She has piercings. The piercings are non-removable because I don't want to dig hot glue out of her fur. She's got plugs, and then she's got 2 piercings on the ears. She's got an industrial on this side. On this side, she has a piercing right here, 2 right there, and the plugs, and then she has a tongue piercing and snake bites, because who doesn't want snake bites? I wanted snake bites when I was maybe 12.
Oh no, me too. Like, you know, me and her both went through an emo stage where basically, you know, My Chemical Romance, you know, Blood on a Dance Floor,
Not Blood on the Dance Floor.
Blood on the Dance Floor.
You Blood on the Dance Floor. I never stooped.
Falling in Reverse, you know.
Fall Out Boy.
Fall Out
Panic
Boy.
at the Disco.
Original Fall Out Boy before they went all pop. And, you know, I wanted snake bites, you know. No other piercings, no earrings, no nothing. I did gauges, well, earring and gauges later on before my holes closed up. That's the only holes that close up.
But yeah, so this is Emilia, and she's soft and nice, and I love her. You know, I might at some point in the future get her remade by a different maker. I might get a different suit. I'm already considering it because I hate money. I don't want it anymore. So
Definitely.
I just love throwing it away.
Mm-hmm.
But I will be debuting her at Midwest Fur Fest 2018.
Mm-hmm.
If you see me there, come up, give me a hug. I don't mind. Just please, if you give me a hug, please make sure that you've bathed within the last 24 hours.
You could extend that to about a week, right? You know,
No.
give or take. You know, the what's it, 6-2-1 rule?
Mhm.
It's more like
6 hours of sleep.
Yeah.
No, more like if you're going to the raves, 2 hours of sleep at night.
Yeah, that's what we did.
Yeah, that's what we did. One meal, usually fries
Yeah.
a day, and
0 showers.
0 showers. 0 showers. Just go out in the dumpsters and roll around. Find the sweatiest neckbeards you can there, and just.
I'm going to talk about us, the possibility of us moving in together within a year.
Would you be interested in living on a boat? Because I'm considering buying a boat because I can get a good boat for like $2,500, pay $200 a month in slip fees.
Living on a boat. Are you crazy?
Houseboat.
Like a houseboat.
Yeah.
Like a boat?
Yeah. I mean, it moves around, but you get used to it.
Maybe. So that pretty much wraps it up, and you know, we just unboxed, you know, her fursuit, and I'm super happy for her, and you know, we're gonna have a lot of fun. I know I've announced it in other videos, but there's been some complications with us really knowing if we were going to MFF or not, It is in the books. It's clear as day. We are going to MFF 2018, so we will be there probably Wednesday through Monday. Leaving Monday actually, so Wednesday through Sunday, and so that's there. Also, a fun little tidbit, about us being adults. We're looking, the possibility of us moving in together. So we're going to be looking at that very soon, actually. So we're probably going to get a place, and we'll be living together, and then there's going to be a lot of fun times because we'll be under the same roof, so that's going to be even better. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for taking time and, just watching all of this, and I hope you enjoyed, and just remember, stay fluffy. Love you guys. Peace. God, that was cringy as fuck.